Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video we will discuss about the offshore accident lawyer case. So before wasting any time, we can start our video. But before starting our video, I have a little request to all of you. If you are new on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel to get more updates. Our Get more updates from our YouTube channel. So guys, before starting wasting any time, we can start our video. So we are going on Google Chrome. Now on Google search, you can search offshore accident lawyer. Okay, and after searching these, you can see many websites. Okay, so we can open one website from these. We can open these websites. Okay, so now I can read this. Okay, you can see offshore accident lawyer table of contents show Houston attorneys for offshore injuries. Houston attorneys for offshore injuries. An offshore accident lawyer fights for your rights anytime you suffer an accidental injury on any types of vessel on the sea. The accident may occur on on a ship of some sort, an offshore platform, on a dock, or a helicopter transporting crew from and to land. Okay, it is important that you hire a Houston, okay, Houston offshore accident lawyer that will thoroughly investigate the claim to determine who is liable and what laws apply. Call Simmons and Fletcher, PC Injury and Accident Lawyers, for a free consultations regarding your offshore injury claim. We work on a contingency free basis to so that you pay nothing upfront and no attorney fee unless you make a recovery in your case. Investigating the offshore injury claim. Okay, oil range inspection, oil rig inspection. To determine which law applies, you need an offshore accident lawyer who will thoroughly investigate the claim. Every details, records, and logs are kept by the companies in charge of offshore vessels. These records must be obtained and reviewed to determine whether proper procedures were followed. Moreover, proper procedures were followed. In serious injury causes, nothing tells the story better than going to the scene and conducting an inspection. Add Simmons and Fletcher, PC.C. We can investigate the scene and retain the bring experts as required to get a full picture of what caused an event. What laws applies to an offshore accident? There is a large body of state and federal law applying to offshore accident claims. These include Longstreet's and Harbor Works Act, Jones Act, State Personal Injury Law, federal tort claims. Trying to navigate these laws without an offshore accident attorney is like trying to pilot the sea without a map. So now we can open one. There is a many details of offshore accident lawyer, so you can also read these. So now we can open one more website. This is this one. Internet is slow. So, need an offshore injury lawyer. Have you been injured in an offshore or maritime accident? The ocean is the most dangerous place on the planet. So, there is a detail. Okay, types of offshore injuries. Sorry, types of offshore injuries: traumatic brain injury, spinal and back injuries, slips and falls, loss of hearing, loss of limbs, crushing injuries and broken bones, hyper hypothermia and frostbite, drowning, lungs damage. Okay, fatalities, claiming compensations for offshore injuries, lost earnings, medical expenses, pain and suffering, choosing the right offshore injury attorney, maritime law, highly rated offshore accident attorneys in Norfolk, Virginia. So you can also read the details. Now we can open one more website, offshore accident lawyer, FVF law firm. Okay, working offshore can be offshore accident lawyer. Okay, now working offshore can be exciting, but it can also be dangerous. No matter how many safely precautions you take, accidents and injuries are common and sometimes fatal. Offshore workers can experience devastating injuries caused by dangerous conditions on offshore platforms, boats, jack-up rigs, and tankers, and in the ocean itself. So workers often aren't sufficiently trained and work long hours with few breaks, making the risk of injury even higher. When a serious injury occurs in an offshore accident, it can be emotionally and financially devastating for the victim. It can also be hard to determine where to start. When it comes to recovering damage for personal injury or wrongful death. A good place to start is the contact an offshore lawyer with experience is personal injury and maritime law who can wade through to complex details of your case and help you get the best recovery possible. So there is a too long article. You can also read this article. So there is a total details of offshore accident law, so please read this. So guys, now we can stop our video going to end. So please like and subscribe this our channel. So goodbye, tata.